get a lot of questions on why I choose the rods I do in certain situations. So I'm going to go over with you today the rod I used in today's video and why I chose it. So today I used the Kistler Magnesium 2 rod and medium fast 7-foot long rod. Not only does it have, I like this rod for multiple reasons. It has a great affordable price point for most individuals. It also has custom wind grips. It's got a stylish look to it. The wind grips stay sticky in all situations, rain or shine. But the reason I chose this rod for a smaller topwater, it's good for smaller topwaters and smaller crankbaits styles and stuff like that. The reason I chose this rod is it's got a soft tip and a great backbone. And I really like this in a topwater rod because the soft tip can help you keep fish buttoned while fighting the fish, and the stiff backbone will keep you in control at all times of the fish. So I really like this rod for those reasons. It's a really light rod, so it comes in handy when you're fishing it all day. You get less fatigue throughout the day. It also has great castability and accuracy, but you can't go wrong with any of the Kistler rod series. But this is my preference when I'm fishing smaller topwater, like I said, or a smaller style crankbait. Let me know in the comment section if you guys got any questions or concerns. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.